Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial about how I made my GIF for my final digital storytelling project. So first, this is probably the easiest way that you could convert a video to a GIF that I have found. So just go on YouTube and find the video that you want to turn into a GIF, and then click in the URL, and after the www dot, type in GIF. And it'll bring you to this other website. And it's just generating the video, so just give it a second. So once that your video is uploaded, find where you want your GIF to start. And I'm just gonna start mine about right here. And I'm gonna just shorten it because I just want a little part of it in there. And you can add caption, you can add images, crop it, add whatever you want. But I just wanted a simple GIF, and then after I do that, I'm just gonna do create GIF. And just let it load. And I'm just gonna give it a title. I'm just gonna do mom reaction since this is for my final project. And then I'm just gonna tag it. And yeah, once you've done that and you added the tag that you want, you can choose if you want sound or whatever you want, but I'm just gonna keep mine simple. And just click no thanks. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you make your GIF. It gives you a link, you can embed it, you can download it, whatever you want. So I hope this helped, and yeah, thank you.